Hello guys, this is Sam. Today we will talk about IITL. In this video, we will discuss about what is IITL, how it helps the organization, details about foundation course and passing criteria. After that, we will discuss about IITL library and why it is called library, to whom this certification best suits, how this certification help IT professionals. So let's get started. IITL stands for Information Technology Infrastructure Library. It is an integrated set of best practices for delivering IT service to the customers. It allows the company to plan, implement and measure its services, and it can be customized as per the organization needs. IITL helps the organization to establish cost-effective systems with better quality. It also helps to manage business risk and service disruption or failure, improve decision making with increase in productivity, and also develop positive relationship among the members of the organization. Let me brief you about IITL Foundation course structure. The IITL Foundation course helps you to identify key principles of IT service management. It helps you to identify benefits of IT process management and implementation in an organization, key concept and terminology used for IITL, service lifecycle and IITL library. We will discuss about the library in detail. You have to score 65% marks to get certified. That is, you have to correct 26 questions out of 40 MCQ type questions in 60 minutes. Now we will discuss about IITL library. It is called library because it is a set of 5 books. First, service strategy. It helps the organization to understand their customers' need and how to develop and deliver IT service. Second, service design. It helps the organization to design an efficient and cost-effective service. Third, service transition. It advises about building and testing the design. Fourth, service operations. It deals in delivery and management of service. Fifth, continual service improvement. It provides a mechanism for improving the service and technology used in management. This course best suits for middle level managers seeking higher level certification in IT service management, production support engineers, operations managers and quality manager. After the completion of training, you will get certificate from Eluxo and you will earn 2 IITL credits, and this might get you a 15% additional increment in your pay scale. So don't wait guys, just Google IITL SSDN Technologies and download the course curriculum and enroll now. You can contact us on call 9999 111 686, WhatsApp at 9999509970. If you like this video, share it with your friends and subscribe to our YouTube channel. To get more videos like this, also follow us on Facebook, Twitter and LinkedIn, and all the links are available in the description.